Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the next generation DJI Osmo Pocket 4, an upgraded compact camera that's packed with exciting new features like improved stabilization, 4K video quality, and better low-light performance. In this review, we'll be putting it to the test and exploring whether it's the ultimate pocket-sized camera for creators, or if it's just another minor iteration. Whether you're into vlogging, capturing cinematic shots, or just looking for a camera that fits easily into your pocket, stick around as we break down its new features, performance, and whether it's worth the hype. Camera performance. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is engineered for exceptional image quality, thanks to its upgraded 1-inch sensor, which is a major leap from its predecessor. This compact camera can shoot stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, delivering silky smooth slow-motion footage that's perfect for creative projects. The enhanced HDR capabilities offer a remarkable dynamic range, ensuring vibrant colors and rich detail even under challenging lighting conditions. For those who love to capture high-quality stills, the Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. It features a 20-megapixel sensor, delivering sharp and detailed photographs. When it comes to night photography, DJI has integrated a more advanced low-light algorithm that significantly improves the camera's ability to capture clear and bright images, even in low-light environments. Release date and availability. DJI made it official on March 15, 2025, when the company announced the release of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and to everyone's excitement, pre-orders went live on the same day. This highly anticipated camera will hit the shelves on January 25, 2025, and is expected to sell out quickly. To accommodate the high demand, DJI is ensuring a sufficient supply of units for early adopters. The good news is, exclusive launch bundles will also be available, offering a variety of accessories that enhance the overall experience of the Pocket series. Connectivity and app integration. One of the highlights of the DJI Pocket 4 is its seamless connectivity. Connecting the camera to your smartphone is a breeze, thanks to the enhanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. Whether you're using the DJI Mio app for live previews or remote control, the app offers an intuitive interface that streamlines your creative workflow. Additionally, the app now supports a feature called Story Mode, which allows users to quickly apply creative templates and effects to their footage with minimal effort. This makes it easier for anyone, from novice vloggers to seasoned creators, to produce professional-looking content right from their mobile devices. Plus, the camera now supports USB-C for fast data transfers and includes microSD card support for ample storage options, so you won't run out of space while shooting. User experience. When it comes to user experience, the DJI Pocket 4 is designed for both beginners and experienced creators. The responsive touchscreen interface ensures smooth navigation, while physical buttons give precise control over key camera functions. The user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to start using the camera right out of the box. DJI's commitment to ease of use is reflected in the helpful tutorials and guides within the DJI Mio app, which are perfect for users of all skill levels. Stabilization technology. Stabilization has always been a core feature of the DJI Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 continues this legacy with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that ensures smooth and jitter-free footage. Whether you're walking, running, or capturing action shots, the stabilization remains rock solid, making it ideal for dynamic content creation. DJI has also introduced an upgraded sport mode for the gimbal, which allows for faster and more dynamic tracking of subjects without compromising stability. This is great for capturing fast-moving subjects, especially during sports or other high-energy activities. Design and build quality. The design of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is sleek, ergonomic, and even more compact than its predecessor. It fits comfortably in your hand or pocket, making it an excellent travel companion for anyone on the go. Despite its small size, the build quality feels premium, with a sturdy aluminum alloy body that's resistant to wear and tear. One of the notable updates is the slightly smaller gimbal head, which allows for quick, dynamic shots while maintaining excellent stabilization. Additionally, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 now features a water-resistant design, allowing you to shoot worry-free in light rain or damp conditions. Whether you're exploring outdoors or shooting in unpredictable weather, this camera has you covered. Battery life. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any portable device, and the DJI Pocket 4 performs exceptionally well in this department. On a single charge, the camera can shoot continuously for up to 140 minutes, even at demanding settings like 4K video at 60 frames per second. If you're worried about running out of power during a shoot, the camera features fast charging, allowing you to spend less time waiting and more time capturing content. This makes it an excellent option for creators who need a reliable camera that won't let them down in the middle of an important shot. Conclusion: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is truly a powerhouse in a compact form. With its stunning image quality, industry-leading stabilization, and a wide range of intelligent features, it caters to a diverse range of creators. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, a vlogger, or someone who enjoys capturing spontaneous moments, this camera provides exceptional value for its price. While the DJI Pocket 4 comes at a premium, the performance and versatility it delivers are well worth the investment. If you're searching for a compact camera that doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts with us. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews, tech guides, and updates.